How did the Bretton Woods system contribute to economic stability? The system aimed to prevent competitive devaluations and promote stability by pegging currencies to the US dollar, which was convertible to gold. What is fiat money, and how did it replace commodity money? Fiat money has no intrinsic value but is declared legal tender by government. It replaced commodity money as governments sought more control over monetary policy. How has globalization impacted modern economic systems? Globalization has increased interconnectedness, allowing for more efficient trade, but it has also exposed economies to external shocks and challenges. What role did the Industrial Revolution play in shaping economic systems? The Industrial Revolution led to increased production, urbanization, and the rise of capitalism, fundamentally altering economic structures and systems. How did the rise of capitalism influence the development of currencies? Capitalism encouraged innovation, investment, and economic growth, leading to the development of modern financial systems and diverse currencies. What challenges did the Great Depression pose to economic systems? The Great Depression exposed flaws in economic systems, leading to unemployment, deflation, and a re-evaluation of monetary policies globally. How did the post-World War II era impact economic systems? The post-war era saw the establishment of international institutions like the IMF, fostering cooperation and stability in the global economy. What is the role of central banks in modern economic systems? Central banks control a nation's money supply, regulate interest rates, and implement monetary policies to stabilize and support economic growth. How has the rise of digital currencies changed the economic landscape? Digital currencies, like Bitcoin, offer decentralized alternatives, challenging traditional banking systems and raising questions about the future of monetary policy. What are the potential benefits and risks of digital currencies? Benefits include increased financial inclusion, efficiency, and reduced transaction costs. Risks include regulatory challenges, volatility, and potential for illicit use. How does inflation impact economic systems and currencies? Inflation erodes the purchasing power of a currency, impacting savings and investments, and requiring adjustments to monetary policies. What role do interest rates play in economic evolution? Interest rates influence borrowing, spending, and investment, serving as a tool for central banks to manage inflation and stimulate or cool economic activity. Can you explain the concept of a mixed economy? A mixed economy combines elements of both market and planned economies, allowing for private enterprise while also regulating certain industries and services. How do economic systems adapt to technological advancements? Economic systems adapt by integrating new technologies, fostering innovation, and reshaping industries and employment opportunities. How did the 2008 financial crisis impact global economic systems? The 2008 financial crisis led to a recession, highlighting vulnerabilities in financial systems, prompting regulatory reforms, and influencing economic policies globally. What is the role of the World Trade Organization, WTO, in shaping economic systems? The WTO aims to facilitate trade negotiations, resolve disputes, and establish rules to promote fair and open international trade within a multilateral framework. How do economic systems address income inequality? Economic systems address income inequality through social policies, progressive taxation, and efforts to provide equal opportunities for education and employment. What impact does government spending have on economic systems? Government spending can stimulate economic growth, especially during downturns, but it also raises questions about fiscal responsibility and the role of the public sector. How do economic systems respond to environmental challenges? Economic systems respond by incorporating sustainable practices, adopting green technologies, and implementing policies to address climate change and resource depletion. What is the role of economic forecasting in modern economies? Economic forecasting helps governments, businesses, and individuals make informed decisions by predicting future economic trends and identifying potential risks and opportunities. How does a trade deficit impact a country's economic system? A trade deficit occurs when a country imports more than it exports, affecting its currency value, employment, and economic stability, and prompting considerations for policy adjustments. What is the role of the gold reserve in modern economic systems? The gold reserve, once a foundation for currency value, has diminished, but some countries still hold gold reserves as a form of economic security and to instill confidence in their currencies.